Police officers sometimes have to use a taser to defuse dangerous situations, but what happens when things go terribly wrong? Today, we will look at 5 shocking cases where taser use raised serious questions. But one incident, involving a 92-year-old disabled man being tossed, will leave you heartbroken for sure. This Arizona man named Johnny has filed a lawsuit against the Glendale Police Department, alleging that officers used a taser on him 11 times, including on his testicles, during his arrest on June 27, 2017. However, the officer involved denies the claim. Bodycam footage reveals what really happened.
Listen, a couple of things. One, okay, you don't have no ID on you, okay? I'm trying to do this as easy as we can. You already done stuff something down in your backpack and you stuffed something down in the seat. Okay, are you gonna fight or not?
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
No.
Get the kid out of the car. Get him to the front of the car.
Walk this way.
While this Arizona man was tossed after trying to hide something in his backpack inside a car, British police in Wales faced a far more dangerous threat, a man armed with 2 knives, ready to lunge the moment they opened the door. Could the officers protect themselves in time? Let's find out.
Mate, step away from the door. Step away from the door. I'm not going to get any money about that. Look, mate, listen. All we need to do is put the knives down. Just put the knives down, mate. Alright? What's that? Just put the knives down, pal. Come on. Let's put the knives down. Alright? No. Don't come at us with knives. No, don't put us with knives. No, don't put us down with knives. I can't get a shot by your head. Right, now. Taser! Get down! Right, hold up! One gone. Knives down. Right. It's alright. Calm down. Listen. Calm down. Turn around, please. Alright. Okay? You okay? Dog is fine. Dog is absolutely fine. Okay? Hey, listen.
This man certainly learned his lesson after feeling the pain of the taser. But when 92-year-old Donald Burgess was pepper sprayed and tossed, it left him in unbearable pain, and raised serious questions about police actions. What happened next is both heartbreaking and deeply troubling. On June 21, 2022, police were called to a care home in St. Leonards-on-Sea, East Sussex, after 92-year-old resident Donald Burgess allegedly threw food at staff and threatened them with a butter knife. What made the incident even more disturbing was that Donald was confined to a wheelchair, having had one leg amputated due to an infection. Despite his condition, officers used force just 1 minute and 23 seconds after arriving. Prosecutors later described their actions as unjustified and unlawful.
Seriously?
Last chance.
Can you just hold that door? I can't get a good angle.
Donald, put it down. Put it down now. Come on.
Last chance.
Right, put it down. Drop the knife. Put it on the floor. Down!
Taser!
As his condition worsened, Donald was admitted to the hospital, where he contracted COVID-19 and sadly passed away just 3 weeks later. A lawsuit was filed against the officers involved.
Anybody else in the car?
While those
with you?
officers were being
Just you?
investigated for their actions,
Okay.
a separate incident in Florida took a deadly turn.
You too?
Officers, who initially intended to help a man, ended up firing their guns 6 times, leaving them with no other option, as using a taser wasn't enough.
Yeah, hang tight, because I don't know what's gonna.
Yeah, I was the one that called 911.
Yeah, we were coming from a distance, and the troopers are coming. They handled this. We actually work for the county.
Okay, perfect. So you just want us to hang tight?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Your car wasn't involved, right?
No, my car was, we just saw it.
You're the one in the...
The Toyota RAV4 right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. It looks like he's got blood under his shirt there.
Turn your hands over.
Open your hands. I don't know.
Listen, they're going to check you out. You're bleeding. Let them look at you. All right? Let them look at you and treat you. I want to make sure you're all right. All right? I want to make sure you're not hurt.
We're just helping you, okay?
Relax. Let them look at you. All
right?
That way.
This is Jamal Parker from Pompano Beach. On March 29, 2018, he was driving recklessly, hitting other vehicles before eventually flipping his car into a roadside canal. A witness called the police. As officers worked to rescue the vehicle and check on Parker's well-being, the situation took a dramatic turn. Rather than cooperating, Parker grabbed a taser from one of the officers.
He's got a taser! Drop it!
Oh shit! 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 Oh shit!
2502. Start a supervisor. Shots fired. Get on! Here! 2502. We got shots fired. We got a subject down. We're trying to get him into custody.
He was taken to the hospital for treatment and made a quick recovery. Parker is currently facing a range of charges, among them resisting an officer with violence and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
But you don't live here, right?
Huh? Well, I haven't lived here for a while.
All right. Well,
our next dramatic taser incident comes from Moore, Oklahoma. On June 5, 2025, Moore police officers responded to a home where a man named Jason Girard was reportedly inside without the homeowner's permission. When officers attempted to detain him on active warrants, the situation quickly escalated. Girard questioned the reason for the warrants and refused to comply. Despite multiple warnings that a taser would be used, he continued to resist, leaving officers with no choice but to deploy the taser.
turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Tell me what they're for.
Taser, taser, taser.
Turn around.
Tase me if you want to.
Turn around, put your
Tase
hands
me if
behind
you want to.
Turn around.
Get out of my house.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Get out of my house.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not
You're
going
going to get tasered.
No. You're gonna kill me.
5-1, step it up. We need backup.
We're gonna stand up, okay? Stand up and just sit right here, okay? Stand up and sit right there. Ready? Come on.
He may be seen crying badly now, but don't be fooled, this man isn't a victim. He's a clever carjacker and drug dealer who on May 2, 2018 led Ocala police on a wild high-stakes chase, acting like a fearless outlaw before finally surrendering.